Welcome to Purchase and Use AGR Agriculture Drone. This teaching video is aimed to introduce how to use AGR app and its features in detail. This section we will explain M operation. M mode is suitable for temporary operation and small plots with irregular boundaries. M mode eliminates the need to plan routes in advance and operations can be started after dosing. Kickstart select M mode. Set operation parameters. Precise mode is recommended. Select for channel high efficiency for pump mode. Set boot dosage according to the actual situation. Traverse distance of 6-8 meters is recommended. The faster the flight, the more efficient the operation. Click sure and setting up is successful. Unlock the drone and take off to the working area. Click start operation. Click lock direction. Pushing the stick at this time will not change the flight direction. Push stick forward to fly the drone to the other end of the plot. When flying with a stick to the maximum flight speed of drone is the set parameters. Hover after reaching the plot boundary. Select left and right traverse according to the actual situation. Select right traverse. Click him to end the operation. Operation report is available to view. This section we will illustrate the AB operation. In AB mode, there's no need to plan the plot in advance. This operation can be started quickly. This mode is suitable for square, trapezoid, triangle, and other plots. Turn on the remote control and the drone power in turn. Add pesticide and tighten the lid of pesticide tank. Click start. Choose AB. Enter parameter settings. Accuracy spraying is recommended. For pump mode, for channel high efficiency is recommended. Acreage dosage should be settled according to actual needs. Operation spacing of 6-8 meters is best. The faster the flight, the more efficient the operation. Click sure. Unlock and take off. Fly the drone to the plot boundaries. Mark a point. Adjust the A angle. Align the auxiliary line with the edge of the plot. Click sure to complete the angle adjustment. Return the drone nose to action, making sure the drone nose facing the operation direction. Push forward the stick to fly the drone to the other side of plot. Reach plottage mark B. If the 2 points AB are not in the right place, click the back icon to delete them and then remark. Click adjust B angle. Align the auxiliary line with the edge of the plot. Note that if the angle of point A and B is too large or too small, the route cannot be generated. Click sure. Return the nose direction. Click reverse to adjust the route direction according to actual situation. Click execute to enter self-check before operation. Slide right to start operation. When the distance of plot boundaries is shortened, we can push the stick towards the opposite direction of the flight to shorten the route. When the distance of plot boundaries is lengthened, we can push the stick towards the flight direction. After reaching the boundary, release the stick to extend the route. Click and AB to view the operation report. This section will explain the function of land parcel partition. When the land area is too large and needs to be divided into parts for operation, the function of land parcel partition is of great help. Click on Task Planning. Open Parcel List. Select the parcels to be divided. Click to cut the parcel. The split line needs to pass through the parcel and generate up to the points of intersection with the parcel. Move the center point outside the boundary of the parcel for marking. Click to cut. Click yes and save the parcel. A large parcel can be cut into several small parts. After cutting, select the land parcel that needs to be worked on. Click to call the parcel. Once the route is planned, operations can begin. This section we will illustrate the self-sweeping. During spraying operation, drone will automatically accelerate or decelerate when reaching the plot edge, which will cause boundary spraying to fly out of the plot. To few droplets in partial area of plot or uneven spreading in boundaries and so on. In this case, sweep function is needed to improve the operation efficiency as well as enhance the operation effect in plot boundaries. Select a planned plot. Self-sweeping function is opened by default. Click Edit Route. Select Sweep the Edge. Users can select whether to open the sweep operation based on requirements, or choose Independent Edge Sweep. It's available to click Reverse Edge Sweep to set the sweep route to clockwise or counterclockwise. During the edge sweeping of spreading, reducing the rotational speed of spreader is needed to prevent the spreading materials from flying out of plot boundaries. If the self-sweeping function has been opened, drone will operate around the plot boundary after finishing the route operation. During sweeping operation, drone should keep flying with the drone head forward. This section we will illustrate the intelligent route optimization. During route mode, the breakpoint in the route may be far away. At this point we can turn on intelligent route optimization to reduce the distance that drone enters the route with full load, to reduce power consumption and improve operation efficiency. After the drone return, replace the battery. And after filling up the pesticide, click Setting in the upper right corner. Turn on the intelligent breakpoint endurance and drone settings. Click Execute. If the route can be optimized at this time, APP will display the intelligent breakpoint and replan the routes in operating area. Drone automatically selects the nearest operating starting point. If the route cannot be optimized at this time, drone will fly directly to the breakpoint. Slide operation. Drone will start operation from a new starting point for operation.